Nice. Very
เกือบ
nice.
12 ปี
Very
เราอะไร
modern boy. Like in Germany.
This- กำลังสิไปหาหมูทุกคน ไป let's go ฮะ มาหาหมูเล่นไหน
อ๋อก็จะเป็นขนาดนี้
ทำไมล่ะ Oh my god How are you
With a GoPro.
Yeah How are you Almost 12 years
Fine. My God. Hello.
Yeah hello
This is Vanxai. This
Yeah.
is Mr. Wolfgang Mono.
Nice to meet you
Oh, so
Oh my god almost 12 years we didn't miss
last time I get the bag. You remember in the temple?
Yeah.
That is the. I think that is the last time.
Yeah.
You stay in the temple close to the bridge. After the bridge.
Yeah
After the friendship.
ท่านแย่ง Yeah เราวเจแปน
My God.
Oh
My you have
Oh you stay here
tattoo all over. My God. Very nice. Very
เกือบ
nice.
12 ปีเราอะไร
Modern boy. Like in Germany.
This one,
My daughter also.
Really?
One arm, and here
Oh.
in the back.
How is Mr. Lonas
Leonard. Yeah.
Jonas yeah
Fine. He's
He's fine.
Fine. He's
Oh,
now
good.
28.
28
Yeah. He's married
married
and small boy Emil.
Oh cool he is he did not come to visit us no
No.
only you
Sure.
You come.
Always me alone.
COVID-19 gone we miss again
Uh,
Oh you have beer
No beer.
No beer? Oh.
That is just
Tea.
Kind of tea.
Oh
Yeah, I saw you many times on Facebook. I
Yeah.
follow you.
really
Yes, sure. One time I see you eating with a friend. You preparing very long video
yeah almost 24-25 minutes
like this. But I didn't see the meat. What you eating was
Beef.
it the beef? What you eating was not boiled or cooked or grilled. It was just the meat you to eat.
yeah
Not
It's
not
raw,
cooking.
raw It's
Yeah.
raw
Raw.
Yeah, raw.
Yes, raw. But it's
It's
good.
say in Lao mafia or soy chu is a is a famous
Just have a seat.
Oh okay thank you
I can show you the room if you like. One side.
Oh you stay here
Yeah,
Right.
over there.
Ah cool
Now, I just finished the cigarette. And then
Oh the camera
yes,
Oh it's very nice
yes, a big camera. It's a very nice camera. Very good. Really good.
How is where will you go today you already rent the motorbike right
From here.
From here
Yeah, it's expensive.
How much
Too much. Too much. $13.
13
Yeah.
Which kind of motorbike that
But very good motorbike.
Oh
But I know it's too much. But I wanted to get the motorbike here because I can stay.
Oh,
The motorbike
no.
can be here.
Yeah.
be over there.
I understand
And so like this. But I didn't know the price. So I
No.
just say when I called
Because
the girl where you met Ngok, very nice.
I
Very
try
nice.
to contact you. I have the low price.
I know.
Low price around 200,000 kip per one day.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's automatic.
Is-
It passe is too much.
Yeah, I know.
Gear.
No, the right one, where the helmet is, the
Oh.
black one. Really strong.
Strong.
Wow. Yeah, really nice.
As first on my plans, I think I have to rent for you the motorbike because I have the motorbike. I think you don't need to rent the motorbike because I have the motorbike to pick you here to explore around.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but,
want to บริเวณ Patu?
but in daytime you working, no?
Yeah.
So I need the motorbike the whole day, no?
Yeah.
So when I start after breakfast, I go around.
Yeah. What
So-
time you arrive here?
Around 12 o'clock. I was
12 o'clock.
hitchhiking. I stay on the road.
This cycling?
Tapo.
Oh,
Tapo. Yeah, what should I do? The local bus was left. I left the local bus.
yeah,
Pompet called me, so the local bus is gone.
yeah,
So I go to the road and I just stop the big truck
yeah.
and very comfortable. I sit
Yeah.
in the front, the back, no pay, nothing. Just and go over there and take tuk to here.
Oh, cool. It's very nice. It's very nice trip. How you trip in London? 3 days? 2 days? 3 days? 5 days?
No, three nights.
Three nights.
Three
Oh.
nights. But Don Dead for me is, I think Don Con is beautiful. Don Con.
Yeah.
Don Con.
Because
Don Dead is not very special. I go there many times with Leonard, with Pompey, alone. But I only wanted to have a break from Pompey. I stay 5 days and I wanted to make a small trip and come back and stay again 3 nights. And today I leave.
yeah.
And in December I will come back
December this year?
this year.
Oh,
Sure.
oh, we meet again on December.
I hope so. I hope so. Will you have a look in the room?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Just because I put my smartphone on the charge.
Oh, okay. The first ad you saw me, did you remember? Oh, cool. Me too. I saw you. Oh, I think
First
it's you.
time I remember you in the boat, close to the boat in Donkemau in the river. I remember you when playing. I was there with Leonard, and you were playing there with us in the boat. You were a small boy. This
Yeah.
next time I saw you,
Canoe boat?
yeah, canoe boat.
Canoe boat, yeah.
And next time I saw you, you like this, and more. You higher than me, no?
Yeah. I'm higher than
But
you.
Pompet also very
Yeah.
tall, no?
In 2012,
Maybe
I am baby.
2000.
Yeah.
You're like a baby, you know?
Yeah,
You're very
yeah.
small, no English, nothing.
Yeah.
Very shy.
Oh, the
Okay,
time
come.
is run so fast. So
Yeah, the time
Let's
goes
go,
so
yeah.
fast. Yeah.
โอ้เกือบ12 ปีเนาะทุกคนเนาะบ่ได้เจอตั้งแต่เบิ่งเข้าปี2012น่ะ2011 2012ประมาณนี้พาเราลงพยายามบ้านเนาะเราจะได้มาเที่ยวโอ้ Bamboo House
It's a good place.
Yeah.
It's really nice. So,
Any help?
no.
Your camera?
Yeah, yeah. Just go and then we go. Of course. Shall we use my bike? We go on one bike.
One by okay, yeah.
And because you go kilometer 28,
Yeah.
you stay.
Yeah,
So
75.
that is this direction, huh?
No, it's the 10 life.
Yeah, but we have to come back.
Yeah, we
So we need only one bike.
okay, one by your bike.
Yeah, my bike.
Yeah.
If I would
Your
like-
bike is strong.
I drive the bike. It's very good.
Yeah. Thank
Oh,
you.
Take, very nice.
Oh, Slavia.
No lao beer.
Tea.
No, it's tea. It's nice.
Yeah.
Good tea.
กินเบียร์แล้วGood. The first time here? Did they saw?
First time. Yes, I check in the places on Booking.com, and this get from the Germans. This get a very good review. And if you have the motorbike, I don't care about kilometer 4.
Yeah.
You can very fast.
So,
10
okay.
minutes.
After the dinner, we can talk together for expo. Maybe we go together. Yeah, at the Bolivian part of water.
CCM.
175 cc. Oh, yeah.
Very strong.
Yeah.
You sit comfortable.
Yeah. Comfortable.
So then first we go to the Park Sold.
Yeah, and then second we go to the bar. Okay, let's go. แล้วไปกินข้าวอยู่ปักเซ่โฮเทลครับทุกคนเป็นไปดูมาไม่ได้Oh, it's a new motorbike. So small.
Is comfortable for you, Vanxai?
Sorry?
Is comfortable for you? Everything,
Yeah, everything good. Don't forget to lock only. Oh,
It's locked. It's locked. Okay. Handsome boy. Enough handsome. More handsome than me.
because I'm
But-
young.
But you young, I'm old.
Yeah. Let's go.
First time when I go here. When I go with Vanxai.
Yeah.
He was a novice in his Buddha life.
Buddha. Yeah?
We stay in the economy room.
Ah, yeah.
He don't know. He go to the shower, ne?
Yeah.
And he come out.
Yeah.
Wolfgang, how can I use the shower? He did not know, and also the toilet, flushing the toilet.
Ah.
I was shocked.
Yeah.
What? You don't know? Yeah.
Yeah,
Dunker Mouse style, ne?
Yeah, I remember this. He would talk to me. Yeah, it's joke. It's so fun.
So funny. Ne?
Yeah, he don't know how to use the shower.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. ตอนนี้เขากำลังมาหอดเนาะทุกคนเนาะโรงแรมปากเซ่เขาจะขึ้นไปกินข้าวอยู่สันเทิงไปขึ้นมาหอดสันเทิงเลยทุกคน
For me now, the time when I retired. First, I retired and I had a part-time job.
อาจารย์
Only 2 times a month. You get some extra money. After that, my company they couldn't pay me because I was too expensive for them. So I stopped the part-time job. Now I'm getting the retiring money per month, every month,
Oh,
automatically.
yeah, good to hear that.
You lost that.
When you try you work for the government or for the
No, I work for it is like it is not an NGO, but it's like this. It was social for the social welfare. I was social worker, and I working with deaf people. Do you know deaf people? Deaf, no here,
yeah
no here,
no here
no here, nothing.
yeah
Um,
no here
like this, with the hand, sign
that?
language, sign
that?
language. With the hand,
With the
they
hand,
speak with the hand and the mouth.
yeah
They read from the lip.
yeah yeah it's a
Very special work.
talk white hand
Yeah. I am 35 years.
25 years
I study in university, social working. After I find this job, and I like it very much. And I have very nice working colleagues, and good job, good money. I have like three and a half months in the year holiday. 3.5 months.
3 months and 15 days 3 months and 15 yeah 15 days yeah.
Because
Oh cool
cool, no?
yeah
Because this my job.
มาเขาเช่าไปเลย
because my job is in connection with a special school.
อ๋อyeah awesome
No, no.
And if the school holidays
yeah
is like Easter